favorite mug. Well, don't you look cozy? Good morning. Happy Thursday, everybody. So I am sitting here doing kind of a tedious project. I am getting all of my seeds in my seed packets to go ahead and mail out today. It's my very first seed swap. Okay, so let me break it down for you guys. I am sitting here with a tray table. If you were following my stories before, you'll have seen me already have put our logo on our little seed swap packets. Everything is labeled with the type of seed that is in there. And then this is where I was keeping all of my seeds that I was drying. So this is kind of like the assembly line. These are the reject seeds, obviously. They're flat, discolored. I, suspect that they're not gonna have a good germination rate. So we go through here, we process which ones are good, which ones are bad. These ones are the final ones. They're all gorgeous, and then they get put in the seed pack. Oh, hello, Remington. Okay, breaking news. We interrupt this seed packing chore to open up the queen. She's here, but ooh, her box looks rough. I hope she's okay in there. So if you guys know me, you know I love plants. I have them absolutely everywhere, from dried herbs to succulents, hanging plants here to more potted plants there. They're in the corners and hanging from the ceiling and on the edge of the couch to on the ledge, all the way around. So as I've grown on my plant journey, I have wanted this in particular plant for so long. It is none other than the coveted fiddle leaf fig. And oh, she had a rough trip. Let me get her out. Ah. All right, so here is your highness, Miss Fiddle Leaf Fig, who was not in a bag whatsoever, and girl is so dry. We are gonna have to welcome her home. Oh, she's beautiful. Okay, so I think this is the spot she's gonna land for right now, but oh, do you ever just love on your new plant babies and talk to them and like, you is kind, you is smart, you is important, but ooh, you need a new pot. You're still beautiful. Okay, I'm totally done being ridiculous now. Back to the seed swap. All right, so these are all set and ready to go. And because my mama taught me that details matter and so do first impressions, we are gonna go ahead and put these stickers to seal up each one of these, because we always say sow seeds of love in life and in the garden. So that's it for me today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Are you liking these little shorter videos? Oh, look at me, I look like a peacock. Okay. Hey girl, hey. Are you guys enjoying these shorter videos? Let me know in the comments below. I am so excited with how my seed packets turned out. I'm excited for my very first seed swap, and I'm just gonna encourage you guys to grow something. Whether you get a plant in your house to help purify your air and get better air quality, or if you throw some seeds in the ground to grow your own food, just get growing. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day from my homestead to yours. God bless.